cold, dry winter weather can cause major skin issues for many of us. So Dr. Melissa V with Memorial Primary Care, she's joining me now with some tips to keep us looking good all year round. So what are some good habits people can start developing in the winter months?
Sure. In the winter months, a lot of people like to enjoy their hot tubs long hot showers. So I would avoid prolonged exposure to that because that can dry out your skin quite a bit.
But that's so hard. I love the hot showers, especially on days like this. Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh, it's exactly what you want. So how are the winter months different from the summer months in terms of what you need to do with your skin?
You should probably, especially here at the higher climate, a higher altitude in this dry climate, you want to make sure you stay well moisturized all year round, and make sure you also apply sunscreen in the summer months and in the winter months because you're exposed to the sun. And
you mentioned something about the antibacterial things can dry you out.
Sure.
Tell me about that. You know, we want that for the flu season and all that.
Right. So you need to wash your hands during the cold and flu season. Those alcohol-based hand sanitizers can be very drying to hands. So if you have to use those, make sure you moisturize afterwards. Otherwise, if you frequently have to wash your hands at work, then you can just wash with gentle soap and water.
Okay. And there's all kinds of different facial products. Are any of them better than others? Because there are lotions, moisturizers, creams. The oils are really popular right now. What do you suggest your patients use?
The best moisturizers are creams and ointments. Lotions often have hidden oils or hidden alcohols in them that can be very drying.
Oh, deceiving.
Yep, absolutely.
And you know, do name brands matter? Or do you just go with what feels good? Are there any particular products that you like?
There are certain brands that I like. I would just make sure that you're using moisturizing creams without fragrances. Fragrances can be very irritating to skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. You can use anything from Vaseline to the more expensive Eucerin creams or CeraVe, Cetaphil, Aveeno, or different brands.
Vaseline feels pretty awesome right about now. What about your diet? Does that have anything to do with your skin?
There's little research out there that has supported that. However, maybe a diet rich in fruits and vegetables that are high in antioxidants may be helpful, and avoiding bad fats and other processed foods may be.
And there's one thing I want to ask you about, and that's dry lips. You put on chapstick and then it feels like you need it even more. What do you suggest?
Dry lips may be an early sign that you're not well hydrated, so make sure you drink plenty of water and stay well hydrated unless you have a chronic health condition that requires that you avoid a lot of fluids.
Well, great advice. Thanks, Dr. V.
You're welcome.
We're back after the break.